Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. If you're new here, I am Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. I'm back. Sorry again, as always, because I'm always telling you all sorry for not posting consistent videos. I normally post consistent videos, but I've been going through a few things. And I haven't been able to post like my heart desire. But I thank God for working. I thank God for healing. I thank God for what He's doing and how He has brought me so far. But anyway, to God be the glory. He gets all the glory and honor for what He's doing. But in this video on today, it is my episode 3 to my home improvement series. You all going to actually see some painting taking place. I thank God for that. And you're going to see me remove, excuse me, not replace, but remove little small pieces to the cabinet, which is, I'm not going to say pieces, but a handle in order to paint. So finally the remodeling is starting. I'm feeling better and I'm in a place that I can actually do what I've been promising everybody that I was going to do. And I thank God for that. So sit back, relax, get you something to drink if you can, or a snack, and enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and create, explore, and enjoy.